hold on. Come on, you gotta go to fire escape.
Hey, you home? Why the chain on the door?
I'm coming.
David, come on.
I'm coming. I'm using the bathroom. I'm coming. I'm coming, babe. I'm coming. Hold this. Coming, babe.
David,
I'm coming. Oh, sorry, babe. I'm sorry, babe. I'm so sorry. So sorry, babe.
you was home all day while the house a mess.
Babe, Babe, I got good news.
Ooh, good news. But why is the house a mess?
Babe, it's not really a mess. I was sleeping and, I got to look at a job. Babe, I'm coming, babe. Don't worry, babe. I put it up, babe. Don't worry. Sorry about that, babe. I was sleeping all day, babe. Sorry.
You do not work. The house is a mess.
Babe, I got good news, though.
You didn't do laundry.
Babe, guess what happened?
What happened, baby?
I got a job interview in 2 weeks. Babe, I'll be out here I was at the computer all day looking work. 2 weeks, I have an interview. Tell you, babe, I'm gonna be working, babe. I'm so excited.
So happy.
Yeah, babe, because I don't have no papers, I can't depend on you every day to do everything, you know what I'm saying? I gotta find a job. I gotta be the man in this relationship. You know how we go, babe.
Why is he stealing? Baby, get up. Baby, get up. Your job interview today, you're gonna be late. Get up.
2 more minutes, babe.
Baby, come on. You have to get up now.
Babe, just 2 more minutes.
Baby, get up. You have an interview. I don't want you to miss the interview today. Come on, baby. You could do this. Get up. No, right now.
Yeah, I'm about to take a shower.
You don't want to be late for your interview. You sleep all day. But I wish you good luck. Because I have to go out today.
Babe.
Yes, babe.
Help me tie this tie, please.
Sure, babe. I got you. You're looking nice and handsome this morning.
Babe, I need this job, babe. I gotta help you out and do. Alright, thanks.
I don't know how you do this.
Babe, babe, it's okay, babe. Remember time going.
Okay, babe.
Just hold up this. I'll be here. Alright, babe. Wish me luck.
Good luck.
Babe, it's okay, babe. Wish me luck, babe. Later. Give me a hug.
Mwah.
Alright, babe.
Good
Later.
luck.
Alright, babe.
I love you.
Love you too, babe. Oh.
Hi, honey.
Hi.
How was your day?
Can't believe I go up on a job interview and the guy tried to pay me $10 an hour. $10 an hour, you know? What look like $10 an hour?
What, $10 doesn't mean anything, really. But
Yes, we
it's a
now open
start.
start with. What $10 can do for me an hour?
That's minimum wage, baby. I can't wait
No minimum wage. I'm sorry for you, no minimum wage.
But listen, you need your papers, so you have to start working that job.
And that's why if you married me get my paper. I can't do this about papers.
What do you mean? I'm tired of paying all the bills in this house. I need your help. You're supposed to be the man.
You always have to pay bills, so I know it's a problem because I get a job interview me now for
But
nothing.
you's the man. You need to do what you need to do.
So what?
You have to start that job.
Better me never come home. Better me the Tanner Road.
You never want a blood clot. Listen to me. You always let me pay all the bills. I need help.
You've been doing it.
It don't matter, but you need to be the man.
Hold on, give me. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. It's an emergency.
What do you mean emergency? What happened to you?
I need to speak to you right now. You need to come downstairs right now. Right now.
Alright, man, come. Hold on. Shit. Babe, some come here.
Baby, where you going?
Soon come. When I come back, I talk to you.
We have to finish our conversation.
Yeah, when I come back, I talk to you. I soon come. Look, what happened? Why you looking like that? What happened? What happened?
I'm pregnant.
For who?
For you.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, you there pregnant for you? You was sick in the head, bro.
We had sex. I'm pregnant.
Huh?
We had sex and I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant.
Yo, you don't know something not work.
That's not my problem.
Me not work, me not have no money, me not have nothing.
That's not
Me
my
need have
problem.
papers, you know some woman may live off of.
Okay.
What you mean
you
you're
shouldn't have
pregnant?
fucked me in the first place.
You better go lose that baby there, yeah?
I'm not losing shit.
What?
I said I'm not losing shit.
You might have to cut baby there, Emily, or
Kick
something.
me, nigga.
Huh?
Kick me. Kick me, nigga.
Yeah, better go lose that baby there.
You're gonna take it the baby. You're gonna take it the baby.
You want to what is baby father?
Excuse me?
You want to what is baby father?
You're not homeless.
A woman may live off of.
Okay, so
She let me go for a job interview and...
I guess you don't have to take
Yo,
it.
listen, so me give you the money, bet you you're gonna lose the baby. Soon.
What else?
Stay here, some. Alright?
What?
Stay here, some. Soon, pal. Babe!
Yes, baby.
Sweetheart!
Yes, baby.
Oh.
What happened? Is everything alright?
No, I'm sorry about what happened earlier on. Like, don't tell what happened, babe. So, my friend did call me on the phone, right? So I think something wrong with him. So that's why I rushed out when we were talking. I'm sorry for what happened earlier on. Yeah, sorry for what happened.
What is
earlier
wrong
on.
with him?
No, no happened. He just.
Why you hugging me? What do you?
Oh,
do you
he
need
called
something?
me, tell me that he got a job set up for me, but I gotta pay for the background check and fingerprint. I gotta pay for that. So you know I don't have no money, right? So I'm just wondering if you have the money you could lend me.
How much do you need, babe?
Babe. Babe, I need like, yeah, babe, I remember, babe, because you tell me, but I don't really remember. Babe, I need like $500.
$500?
Yeah, babes.
Do I look rich?
No, babes, but I know say the rent money and babes, but when me get the job, I'm gonna make sure me give back. It's everything, babes, me I make sure me give back and everything. So,
You promise?
I promise, babe. I
You
promise.
promise?
I promise. Babe, you know I
Because
love
you
you,
don't
babe.
have bills to pay.
Babe, I know, babe. That's why I just want to get a job so I could actually help you.
Okay, baby. I got you.
Alright. So,
Is this 500? There you go, baby.
babe, I think you give me too much. Hold back 100, alright?
Okay.
Because
thank you, baby.
I'm not trying to pay him no more money, babe. Just the money where I have, alright?
Okay, baby.
So, he don't say when I'm about to give me so he could set up everything. So, tomorrow I could go deal with everything, alright? Alright, babe, I love you. Be back, okay?
Alright, babe.
Alright, babe, you know I got a job, babe. Got this job. Oh, you're still doing it? Alright. Yo, Wallace. Wallace. Make sure you get rid of that baby. When you get rid of that baby, I don't want to see you back again. You hear? Make sure you get rid of that baby. Alright? Granddaughter? 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 I want you, granddaughter. Granddaughter! Where you get some more money from? Granddaughter, you rob people?
No.
Granddaughter, who's money you can out?
I can't.
coming here for me? Granddaughter, wait. You, what are granddaughter? You're pregnant? So you're pregnant? Granddaughter, get up, you're pregnant. Yeah, granddaughter, I must think you're lesbian though. Don't say granddaughter, you're pregnant. Granddaughter, but hold on, granddaughter. So, where you doing so much money? Where you doing so much money?
Baby said if I don't get it.
Who check? Granddaughter, who check your granddaughter? Where we going? Granddaughter, who check? Who check you? Who check your granddaughter?
The baby father.
Where check me, I say?
If I don't get it, or else
Get what?
the abortion, I gotta
Get what? Granddaughter, you idiot? Get what abortion? Eh? You better care about the money there. You can't get no abortion, you do not know if God bless you one child. You see if your mother did get abortion, you think you're there? Eh? You were there, you're dead. Hey, you better bring back the money there now. Make me go around just come back and see you so you're gonna bring back the money. Alright. You think you want me to come with you?
No.
You don't want me to come with you? Come on, get up. Well, get rid of that baby. Hey, you better go on, you know, before me come back. Come back. Granddaughter. Remember granddaughter. How are you gone? Oh. You want me to come with you? Or murder, you know? Alright, granddaughter. Go on now.